Right.
Set D. And this door here has a purple thing off.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's a different color on the left and the one on the right.
It's been like that for years now. This has a red carpet.
Yeah, red carpet on these. I wonder if every set of elevators has different colors on there.
They do. Let's go to 9.
Level 1, basic clean and transportation.
You just want to get the other set from
Going
9.
up,
Yes.
Okay, yeah, let's do that so we can make it faster.
Okay. Of course, I got Hanny here.
We got Alex.
Like that plug down there.
Oh, yeah.
Somebody could probably plug a boombox in there.
Oh, probably, yes.
level 9, parking. Going down,